Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking essentials, storage, Wi-Fi, and the Google account you will use. Open Google Photos and sign in. This links your library to the cloud. Once prompted, grant permissions for storage and camera so the app can read, backup, and take photos. Make sure backup and sync is visible in settings because that toggle starts automatic uploads. If you want cellular backups later, enable that option. But for now, use Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and ensure reliability. Once backup and sync is on, choose the upload quality. High quality saves space. Original preserves full resolution. Then, select device folders to include camera, screenshots, messaging apps. This prevents missed photos. Next, organize. Tap and create albums, mark favorites, and label people so face grouping helps search. Use search terms like beach or a date to find images quickly. Make sure assistant suggestions are allowed. It will suggest collages and fixes, which speed up organization and reduce. Finish by editing and sharing. Tap a photo to crop, apply filters, or use the markup tool. Small edits are non-destructive. Share via link, invite collaborators to albums, or set up partner sharing for automatic photos from a chosen person. If an image isn't backing up, check 3 things: app permissions, battery saver or data saver blocking uploads, and available Google account storage. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or clear photos cache. These steps usually resolve sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.